Your recorder's configured, now you're looking to get it online in the DMSS app. To do that, P2P needs to be enabled. Log into the recorder. Go to Network. Select TCP IP. Take note of the current IP address. Click Modify. Enable DHCP. This allows the router to assign an IP automatically. Click OK. Make sure DHCP is enabled for DNS. Click Apply. Wait for the IP address to change. You may need to exit and reopen this page. Go back to Network P2P. Confirm the status shows online. You can now scan the QR code in DMSS and add the recorder to your app.